guys, so what we're going to do is we're going to solve a geometric sequence using a fraction. Okay, so what we have is we have a of n is equal to 3 times 1/4 to the n minus 1. What we want to do is find the 10th term. Okay, so clearly what we're going to start with is we're going to plug in that 10 because we want to know the 10th position. So 10 is going to replace the n because n is nothing more than a placeholder for any one of our positions. So I'm going to do 10 minus 1 equals 9. So I'm going to rewrite it as 3 times 1/4 to the 9th power. Okay. Now here's where the tricky part comes in. Okay. You don't want to use a calculator for this. You don't want to plug into a calculator 1/4 to the power of 9. What you want to do is think of it as 1 to the power of 9 and 4 to the power of 9. Do them separately. Still a fraction, but do them separately. Okay, 1 to the power of 9 is just 1. 4 to the power of 9 is 262,144. Okay, now if you were to plug that into a calculator, you would have gotten a really, really long decimal. Okay, we don't want to do that. We want to leave it in a fraction form. Okay, so from here, we simply multiply it by 3. And when we use our rule of multiplying by fractions, we multiply straight across numerator, numerator, denominator, denominator. Easiest way to remember that with a whole number is just turn it into a fraction. Okay, 3 over 1 is the same as 3. Okay, so now I just multiply across. 3 times 1 is 3. 1 times 262,144 is 262,144. And it cannot reduce. So we're left with this as our answer. This would be the 10th term in the sequence.